What is a derivative? Slope describes the rate of change, or the steepness, of a function. For a linear function, when you have 2 points, it's simply delta y over delta x, the change in y over the change in x between the 2 points. But how do we find the slope of a more complicated function? Let's consider this function f of x, for example. Our goal is to find an expression for a change in y over a change in x. So let's just pick any 2 points on this function separated by distance h. So the left point will be at x-coordinate x, and the right one as x plus h. Since these 2 points are separated by a distance h, that is the change in x. Then, these points have a height of f of x and f of x plus h respectively, so the change in y is going to be the difference between these heights, that is f of x plus h minus f of x. But really, this just gives you the slope of this function between 2 points at a distance h from each other. If you want the slope at a single point on the function, you have to bring these 2 points very close together, so that the distance between them is pretty much 0. Mathematically, you take the limit of this expression we found for the slope as h goes to 0. This is the definition of a derivative for any function f of x, and you write it as f with a little dash of x, spoken f prime of x.